Okay guys, I'm back again. I hope you guys have a good weekend and a good week. Here I am again. I'm gonna be reupholstering again. I'm not a professional in reupholstering, but I do my best. And working on a budget. I got these for free. Someone didn't want them because, as you can see, the material on the cushion part of the chair is ripping, and all of them have that damaged fabric. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna remove it and reupholster the chair. And they're wrought iron chairs, they're very sturdy, so they don't really need anything on the frame of the chairs. They only need to be reupholstered and bring back to life. The bench is finished. So these benches are gonna be on the patio, covered patio, so you won't get wet, so it doesn't matter about protection of it because it's gonna be under a patio. But it came out really nice. It's sturdy and beautiful. Okay guys, this is the final part of the restoration of my chairs, and they're all finished and ready to be used. I restored them and now they look very pretty and ready to be used. Don't forget to click the like button, thumbs up on the video, and also if you haven't seen my other videos, you can go back and see those, and just press that thumbs up on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.